What's up guys, it's me Jelly back again with another YouTube video. So today I'll be showing you what's inside my bag. So the bag that I'll be showing you is my work bag. It is the bag that I usually bring to work. Duh, of course, that's why it's called the work bag. So yeah, it's this brown shoulder bag that I got from SM Department Store and the brand is Secosana. So without further ado, let's get into the video and show you guys what's in my bag. So the first thing that I got here is my makeup kit. It's a mesh type of a makeup kit. I also got this from SM Department Store. I forgot the price, but I think it's around 80 to 100 pesos. And I just bring here some of my essentials. Actually, I think it's a lot. Everything that I need in here so that I won't forget anything. So yeah, ang dami na itong laman. Maybe I'll do a separate video on this one. Next, I have this charger. I like to keep my things organized, so I place it in here. The adapter, because the charger that I'm using is a type C. The other stuff inside is this one, the charger for my wireless earphones and the charger for my light. This one is used in my dorm. Maybe I should leave it there na lang because my small ring light is always there naman, so I don't know why I bring it. Gosh, it's so hot in here. I didn't on the fan nor the AC because I didn't want to make unnecessary sounds. Going back here, sorry if my stuff is kind of messy. This video is impromptu because I just what video should I make, and then I got this idea. I always see videos like this, so I just grabbed my bag and said, oh, I'll make a video. So moving forward, this one, I used to put here my contact lens solutions and the contact lens case. So whenever I go, if I feel like I want to remove my contact lens, I have the case and the solution, because the solution you always put in your eyes. I wear contacts because my grade is so high. Fact is that I really get shy with my eye grades, so I don't wear glasses that much, but when I'm at home, I wear glasses all day. So moving forward with my other things inside my bag. Another organizer. As you can see, I love mesh because you get to see your things through it and it won't be, like a hassle getting the stuff inside. Just some random stuff that I might need, like napkin. We have red vase, and then I have here floss that I don't really use that much anymore, but you never know when you need it. Like if you have some tinga, you just have here a clip. I don't know, I never got to use it because sometimes when I feel like putting it, I look weird, or I don't know, I just don't feel like I look good. A band-aid, a nail cutter, because sometimes I feel like I need to cut my nails. Or sorry guys if I keep looking at this side because this is my screen and I don't know, it just feels like a mirror, so I keep looking at it on how I look. Maybe my hair is a mess, or my shirt is not okay or wrinkly. I have two wallets, and yes, as you can tell, I love black. Most of my things are inside are black because black is classy and hindi siya madumihan, so I like it. So this one, I just got this from Shopee. I think I bought this 2019. Medyo matagal na rin siya sa akin. I change wallets if someone gives to me, but I went back to this wallet because my other wallets got dirty already. So yeah, this cute little gold heart and a tassel on it. And then I have to show you guys my wallet. Actually, it's kind of broken now, a bit broken though. So we just have here some random cards, then my graduation picture to keep me inspired in life. So I have here my beep card, my ATM card there, so if you need to get money. Then I have my 7-Eleven rewards cards because I always buy in 7-Eleven. Their foods there during breakfast and merienda time. I'm always there. Watsons, I love skincare and makeup, so I also got their card. The next, I have my health card. And then Robinson's card. I just got this for free when we went grocery shopping there last December. And then my college ID card. I don't know why I still keep it, but maybe for memories. College has a lot of memories for me, and it's the place where I feel like I started growing and knowing more about, like being serious about your future. And I have more IDs. I have my driver's license, which I'm very proud of. Your girl knows how to drive. So I just have there. Oh, I don't want to show my pic. So I have here also my ID picture. Like, I don't know whenever I might need it. And memory card. I think this is in my oldest phone. But I just used to keep it in here because maybe I might need some files for it. And then I have my PhilHealth ID card. And then the next one is this coin purse that I recently got from Shopee. As you can tell, suki ako sa Shopee. Ang dami ko na mabibili dun. Guys, you should sponsor me. Charot. So yes, I love this kasi plain black lang din siya. And it has a gold here. And inside, maganda kasi meron siyang zipper dito. So you could keep like your things there. And it also has a place for your IDs if you want to put some IDs in there. But mostly I just put here my coins. Pag-commute, ganyan. Madaling ma-access lang siya. Next, I have here tissue. Because pag wee or you need to wipe something or whatever. Next, my earphones. So I still use this wired earphones for work kasi like when we have calls, mas okay yung may mic kang hawak kaysa yung naka-wireless earphones. I'll also show you my wireless earphones. It's this one. It's cute lang din. It's black. And my keys. Has my ID lace and this cute puff para lang di ko siya malos. Kasi like, pag kukuha ka ng keys mo sa bag, parang ang hirap hanapin. Like, nasan na yun? Unlike kapag ganito meron siyang big fluffy ball, madaling hanapin. So, 4 keys yun nandyan. So, my ped, my cabinet in the door, my room key, and my keys in the gate in my boarding house. Eyeglasses. As I told you a while ago, my eye grade is high, so I wear glasses when I'm at home. But I still carry it always around my bag because, like, you never know when you have to change into glasses if you're already in pain or, like, you want to remove your contacts. So I always bring my glasses. Next is payong. You never know when it's gonna be rainy or sunny. I remember when my workmate was like, "Hoy, umulan sa labas, may payong ka ba?" Sabi ko, "Girl, I was born ready. I have." So, ayun. Kulay pink lang siya. Wala. Favorite ko pink and black. And together it is Blackpink! Next item is alcohol. Sobrang importante to ngayon, lalo na COVID. Always bring your alcohol to keep you safe and clean. Then next, I have here my ID. Company IDs. Actually, luma na siya and nasira siya. Yan. But I still bring it because mamaya I might need it. So, it's still there. We're almost finished with our bag. So, wala na siyang laman. So, I'll just show you guys what's inside this pocket. And this is very COVID edition. The inside of the pocket is 2 masks. So one is a surgical mask because sometimes you might never know when your the surgical mask that you're wearing gets broken. At least you have an extra to keep. And then a cloth mask. This was also given to me by a friend. Let's just show it. So ayan. I love the design of this mask because it's so nice. It has a floral print. It's color white and I think it can go well with any of your outfits. But for me, I still personally use surgical mask kasi mas safe siya. So I think that is it. Our bag is empty now. I showed you guys all of the things inside this bag, and girl, it is so hot in here. So I think that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Angelica Corpus. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.